Hello, my name is Walker Mobley. I'm with Thermostor Products, makers of the Santa Fe line of dehumidifiers. We have a few on display for you here today. First, I want to talk briefly about the application in which these are used. They're used by pest control operators in crawl spaces and basements with moisture control problems. The pest control operator is in a unique position where he's often the first person into crawl space and has a leg up and an opportunity to spot a problem before it becomes unfixable or becomes very expensive to fix. Basically, the application here is your home is a chimney and there's a stack effect and air is moved upward throughout the house. So as that air is moved upward, it has to be replaced from somewhere. So this takes place at the bottom of the structure, either the crawl space or the basement. And if you have an open crawl space with open foundation vents, you're going to be drawing air in to the crawl space and then moving it up through the house. So that would be okay if the air that you're bringing in is dry, but in certain parts of the country, this air can be very wet, high dew points, high relative humidity. The air enters the crawl space this way, causes condensation due to the high dew point and the cold surfaces found there, contributes to mold growth, wood rot, structural damage. So it causes lots of problems in the crawl space. And then going back to that stack effect, the air is moved up into the house and brings everything that it collected in the crawl space with it. So it's going to collect your mold spores, and all that excess moisture is going to enter into the house, putting excess load strain on your HVAC system, leading to shortened lifespan of that equipment and higher energy bills. So the solution then is to close the crawl space. And this also works for basements as well. What you want to do here is, first thing you want to do is, if you have a dirt floor crawl space, you want to install a high quality vapor barrier. Looks sort of like this. This is a 12 mil commercial grade reinforced plastic. And that goes 100% coverage on the dirt floor. And then you want to seal off the foundation vents, the crawl space door. Sometimes you want to go up the walls and the pillars if there's a high moisture problem for sure, and prevent as much moisture from entering, much air from entering the crawl space as possible. Okay? Then, since nothing's going to be airtight, you're still going to have moisture coming through. You want to install a dehumidifier to get what else comes through. I have a few different options, as you can see here. The first one's going to be the Santa Fe Compact. That's our 70-pint unit. It's the smallest one on the market. Hang kit is an optional accessory. You can hang it from the floor joists. A lot of operators really like that feature. Then the second one we have on display here is our Santa Fe Advanced 2. That's our 90-pint unit, so you get a little more capacity there for moisture removal for larger crawl spaces. You also get a dual exhaust. There's one of these on each side. That's the dry air that comes out. I want to take you real quick. I want to take you through the process of what happens when the air is entering the dehumidifier. It's going to come through the front of the unit right here. It's going to pass over a cold condenser coil, which is going to drop the temperature of the air below the dew point, causing the air to condense. That condensation is going to drain down and comes out through the hose as you see here. Okay? The air is then reheated as it passes over the condenser coil and exits the unit on both sides as warm, dry air. And that's the air that you want to get circulated to all parts of the crawl space and basement to help lower the relative humidity and dew point there. Some features that are unique to Santa Fe. They all come with high quality MERV 8 or MERV 11 standard filtration. And what this does is this helps protect the coils, especially when you're in a crawl space or a basement, a high moisture environment. Coil protection is very important. And the Santa Fe Advanced 2 and the Compact both have coated coils to provide an additional layer of protection against moisture. Okay, so I mentioned the dual exhaust. Mentioned the filtration. All Santa Fe products are Energy Star rated. These units are going to be working a lot, pulling out a lot of moisture. It's important to do it very efficiently. And this is a new product that we're offering. It's an all-in-one sump pump kit. A lot of times there's a drainage problem in a crawl space and extra drainage is needed, and this can be done with a sump pump. So our kit comes with a 30 horsepower pump, 2-year warranty. The basin comes pre-drilled, check valves and float switches to pipe the water away. So it's a great solution for an all-in-one option. No trip to Lowe's needed, no drilling, no basin construction. It's ready to install. Thanks for listening. For more information on our high-efficiency dehumidifiers that are American-made and come with a 5-year warranty, please visit us at our website, www.santa-fe-products.com. Thank you.